Dear Daniel, as we already talked about this the last few months, please understand that Ima's going on a very important journey for all of us. I know it's not going to be fun without you and Abba, but we will only be separated for a while. We all need to be strong and to always remain hopeful. People call me brave and courageous for taking this trip to try out our chances in a new country and for traveling amid the pandemic. But I don't believe I have either bravery and courage, my love. I read the definition for both. Bravery is the state of having or showing mental or moral strength to face danger, fear, or difficulty, while courage is the mental or moral strength to venture, persevere, and withstand danger, fear, or difficulty. It's not what I have. What I do have and what you can learn from me is that I have faith, and I am extremely grateful to be given this opportunity to travel. I have faith that God is showing me a new path, a journey I will take to grow as a person so I can be a better mother to you and wife to Abba. There are only very few people who are allowed to enter Canada, and I'm one of them because of the help of Uncle Puloy and Tita Kathleen. We are truly blessed and we should be extremely grateful. I hope with this, you will always see the good side of things, even if they are extremely difficult. In the end, I hope I was able to teach you about strength of character. I don't know if it's more important than bravery and courage, but in this case, it was all I had, and it was okay. I'm going to miss you, my love, but this is not goodbye. See you soon. Love, Ima.